Today, we are going to be installing our 12-inch heavy-duty strap hinges. To complete today's installation, you will need a pencil, a drill, a T20 Torx bit, a 1/8-inch drill bit, and a level. Start by placing the strap hinge flush to the edge of your gate frame and use a pencil to mark the 3 holes. Pre-drill a 1.5-inch hole on your 3 pencil marks using a 1/8-inch drill bit. Using a T20 Torx bit to fasten the provided hardware, make sure not to over-tighten the hardware. Repeat these steps for the second strap hinge. Next, use scrap wood as a resting point to ensure your gate has your preferred ground clearance. Place your gate on the resting guide and double-check your gate is level. Press your hinge against your post and mark the 3 holes. Pre-drill the 3 pencil marks about 2 inches deep with a 1/8-inch drill bit. Use a T20 Torx bit to fasten the provided hardware, making sure not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps for the hinge at the bottom of the gate. Remove the resting guide. That's it! You've successfully installed our 12-inch heavy-duty strap hinges. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.